Understanding lifting big in English. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, lifting big. This phrase can be a bit confusing for English learners, so we're going to break it down, look at some examples, and help you understand how to use it in your conversations. Lifting big generally refers to lifting heavy weights or objects. It's often used in the context of weightlifting or bodybuilding. However, it can also be metaphorically used to describe someone taking on big challenges or responsibilities. This phrase embodies the idea of pushing one's limits or going above and beyond in efforts. In this section, we'll explore the two main ways lifting big is used. 1. Literal use. In gyms and fitness, lifting big literally means lifting heavy weights. It's a sign of strength and endurance. 2. Metaphorical use. In everyday life, when someone says they're lifting big, it could mean they're taking on big tasks or challenges at work or in personal life. It's about handling significant responsibilities or overcoming major obstacles. Let's see some examples to understand better. 1. Literal. I saw John at the gym lifting big. He's really working on his strength. 2. Metaphorical. Managing this project alone is like lifting big. It requires a lot of effort and dedication. When you use lifting big in conversations, it's important to consider the context. If you're talking about fitness, it's clear you mean lifting heavy weights. But in other contexts, make sure your listener understands you're using it metaphorically to describe dealing with big tasks or challenges. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, lifting big. Whether you're lifting weights or facing life's big challenges, this phrase is all about embracing strength and determination. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using English phrases like a pro. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.